Yo, what's up YouTube? I'm Max. This is my affirmation video to my affirmation journal of a book I'm writing called The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. I've written everything from that book in my own handwriting, and I'm continuing on with my affirmations, so I just want to take you to see my videos. It's all the same thing. This is chapter 9, How to Use the Subconscious Power for Wealth. If you're having financial difficulties, if you're trying to make ends meet, it means you have to convince yourself, your subconscious mind, that you'll always have plenty and some to spare. You know, men and women who work a few hours a week and make fabulous sums of money. Do not strive or slave hard. Do not believe the story of the only way you can become wealthy is by the sweat of your brow and hard labor. It is not so. The effortless way of life is the best. Do the thing you love to do, and do it for you and for the joy and the thrill of it. I know an executive in Los Angeles who receives a salary of $75,000 yearly. Last year he went on a 9-month cruise seeing the world and its beauty spots. He said to me that he has succeeded in convincing his subconscious mind that he is worth that much money. He told me that many of the men in his organization getting about $100 a week knew more about the business than he did. He could manage it better, but they had no ambition, no creative ideas, and were not interested in the wonders of their subconscious mind. And that's how to use the subconscious power for wealth. As my affirmation video, it's my affirmation journal. You can see I've written everything here in my own handwriting. Thanks for listening. I'm Max, and I'm out.